Hi, buenas tardes. I'm Domingo Lee from South Korea. I'm Korean, and my province is East Asia province. I'm very happy to be here in Korea, Madrid, Spain. And in this assembly makes me very happy, and I am learning a lot. I'd like to talk about opportunities. Uh, what opportunities does today is a reality offer in Marist Mission? I think the personal spirituality and community spirituality is very important opportunity opportunities. The spirituality based on God's love. God's loves make us strong and to give us power. So with this, we could take care of young children and young men, and also the formation and vocation, also leadership is also we think over during this assembly, and also solidarity and partnership also uh, very good for us to think about this assembly. Thank you.